So this is the best workout routine right now. This is my favorite routine that I've done in a long time. And I'm just gonna talk more about it. It's what I've been talking about lately in my videos, how to get strong, how to get stronger on any diet really, but eating plant-based, getting stronger, getting PRs with every workout. I went to the gym today and I'm just gonna show you some footage here. I'm gonna show you what I'm eating today. If you're new to my channel, I've been on a plant-based diet for over 10 years. I practice intermittent fasting for 6 or 7 years now. And just trying to show how I stay fit and healthy every day of the year, all year long. And I've been, like I said, getting PRs in the gym just about every time I go. I'm doing this routine that's full body 2 days a week, but I do a split. So I do half my workout Monday, the other half Tuesday. Then I do it again on Thursday and Friday. So you could do it just twice a week, but I like splitting it up and doing the full body workout split into 2 days. Wednesday and Saturday, I do cardio, so I'll go on a run. So yeah, I just wanted to touch on this because it's just crazy that I'm still, gaining strength every single workout. I'm improving, and it's just, we'll just keep going with this. I've been doing this plan for about a month now. I've been tracking everything, and it's a great way to exercise so you can see the improvements and just track the progress. Super simple. It's just one set of each move. So the way that you can do this a number of ways. You can do it so you hit one set of each move and just go twice a week. So you can go like Monday and Thursday or Tuesday and Saturday, whatever, and you just hit all the major moves, maybe 8 or 9 sets, and just do one set of each. So you do like a pull move, you'll do a push move, you'll do a leg press move, a leg curl. You're just gonna do several different moves in just one set. You go super hard, and again, I'll show you some footage to show you what I mean, but today's workout was a pull move, so I did weighted pull-ups. If you can't do weighted pull-ups, you can do the lat pull-down machine. Then I did the leg press machine, and then I did a leg curl. I did bicep curls with dumbbells, and I think that was it today. I ended up not doing the calves or the jump squats that I did last time because I did a whole bunch of stair running recently and like a day or two ago, and it made me a little extra sore than normal. So I just did like 4 sets, but again, really hard and plenty of break in between each set to recover. So maybe like 4 minutes of a break between each set, and just, I'm gaining strength every time. This time on my, I'll show you on my pull-ups, I did 25-pound weighted pull-ups, and I almost did 16. Last time I did 50, just did 15. Today I almost did 16, so I'll show you that. And I do the workouts fasted as well. So generally I'm working out around 11 a.m. and then breaking my fast around 1 p.m. And then I finish eating by 7. So it's typically an 18-hour eating window with a 6-hour, an 18-hour fast with a 6-hour eating window. So 18 hours of fasting every day. And yeah, we're in Central Oregon. We got a bunch of snow. Let's see if I can get a little shot of that. So it was blizzarding a day or two ago. That's why I did the stair runs. I did 50 laps up and down the stairs. So 50 stories. Instead of running outside, I did my stairs 50 times. So my legs weren't used to that, so a little sore, and I didn't want to. My calves were especially sore, so I didn't want to push the calves. So that's why I skipped the calves today. But really good workout. It doesn't take long. Seriously, I'm in and out of the gym in maybe 30, 40 minutes. I do a little warming up, a little stretching out before and after, and there's just no excuses. I mean, like I said, you could do this routine where you just go twice a week, and you hit each move once. Or you do it like I do, where I split it in half. So today I did what I'm going to show you here, and then tomorrow is going to be the other half of my workout. Tomorrow I'm going to hit up flat bench press, weighted dips, shoulder press, and some abs. So it's basically it's split into like a pull move, legs and biceps on the one day, and the next day is a push move, triceps, shoulders, and core. So let me show you some clips from today. Hope everyone's having a fantastic day, and then I'll show you what I'm eating in my 6-hour eating window. I ended up breaking my fast at 1, so here's everything. And real quick, if you've been watching my channel and you haven't gotten my checked out my ebook yet, I came out with a plant-based recipe ebook. It's really good, delicious, simple. It's how to stay fit and healthy all year long. It's in the description box. Make sure you check that out. And here's the workout and the food. So I got to the gym around 11:30, and I always start off with some warming up and stretching, and then this was the first set. These are weighted pull-ups, and right now I've worked my way up to 25 pounds. So I have a 25-pound dumbbell between my legs, and I'm going to try to break 15 reps. Once I get to 16 reps, that's when I up the weight. Last time I barely did 15, which was a few days ago. In this workout, I almost hit 16, so I did better than last time, but not quite. So I still, I'm gonna try to break break 15 next time. I ended up getting like 15 and 3/4 there. I think I was going for 16 right there. Didn't quite get the chin over. And I go really hard. So once I couldn't do any more, I dropped the weight and I did some partials. I just gave it everything I have because I'm only doing 2 sets of pull-ups per week. So that was the first set. Then I rested about 4 minutes and I did a set of these leg presses. So I go to 2 different gyms. This gym actually has a different leg press machine than the other one I've been using. So I wasn't exactly sure how much weight to throw on. So I threw on a bunch of weight, amount that I thought was right, and ended up doing 23 or 24 reps. So I'll have to up the weight on this machine next time, because with the legs, I up the reps if I get more than I up the weight if I get more than 20 reps. So I ended up getting 23 reps, so I'll up the weight a little bit next time. If you're not sure, if you're new to this, just throw on some weight that you think, you could probably do for 15 to 20 reps and try it out. And then just every time you break 20 reps, add more weight, add a little bit of more weight, the smallest increment they have. So the first time you do it, you'll probably end up getting more than you think, and you can just up the weight next time. After about a 4-minute rest there, I did a set of these bicep curls with the dumbbells. Currently at 35 pounds per hand, and I need to break 15 reps in order to move up the weight. That's 15 reps in each hand. I think last time I had 14 reps in each hand, and this time I got just to 15. So I made an improvement there, but I did not break 15. So next time I come back to this move in a few days, I'll keep it at the same weight until I break 15. You can see at the end here, I'm really struggling. I got just 15 in each hand, and then I do some partials, really burn it out. Again, going hard. And then this is another new leg curl machine, because the other gym I was at had a different one. And with this one, I wasn't sure how much weight to use. Ended up putting a little bit too much weight. So I think with this, I only got to 13 reps, and my goal is to get to at least 20. So I'll just lower the weight next time, and because I want to get to 20 reps on the leg moves. So yeah, it ended up being a little harder than I thought it was going to be. And I ended up not quite able to do 14. I got like 13 and a half. So that was the full workout for today. And as you can see, we got some crazy amount of snow, like a foot in like a day or so. So then after that, I headed home and it was time to eat. Started with my first meal at 1 p.m. and I started my first meal with a grapefruit, this big tangerine, and a banana. So I like to start it off with fruit. And then I made some oatmeal right after that. I threw in an apple, some cinnamon, some almond milk, blueberries, a little cacao powder, some craisins, and some walnuts. So good combination there. Try that out, and that was delicious. Then a couple hours later, I had a snack. Had a handful of prunes and some cashews as a snack. Then at 6 p.m. for dinner, I started with a big mixed green salad, and then I had some veggie pasta. This was at a restaurant. And I also had some garlic bread that is not pictured. So thanks for watching. Make sure you give a thumbs up. Let me know what you think about in the comments. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.